Hey guys, and welcome to another video of mine. Okay, that was random. But in this video I'm going to be joined by my other cousin, and she's just right next to me. And we are going to be I'm going to be making a waterfall bracelet, and she is going to be making a fishtail, I think. Or yeah, and my sister is going to be making nothing, but she's just going to be playing on her bandaloon. So okay, so in my last video I made a infinity bracelet, and yeah, and in my next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my own creation. I haven't really named it yet, so if you guys would like to suggest some names for it, then you can in the comments below. So okay, so let's get going. So first of all, make sure that your the arrows on your bandaloon are not facing towards you like that. Then grab your first color, and mine is light blue. So then just go from like that. I just did that, like that, and then grab your second color. Mine is pink. You can put it anywhere. I'm putting it in the middle, like that. Then my third color is green. Oops, where did I just put there? So just going to do that. Then you're going to grab the same color again. I'm grabbing my light blue, like that. And then the same with the pink. And the same with the other color. Mine's is green.
Green is a color.
Like that. So yeah, and you're going to do that all the way to the end. So I'm going to try to do that very quickly.
I could a video.
Okay.
I could have it.
I do not know what my sister is saying. And in like a few days ago, me and the cousin that's joining me in this video, her family and my family and my some of my other cousins, we went to National Park. It's this place where it's full of snow. It's far away. It was like a 6-hour journey, and yeah, there was heaps and heaps of snow there, so we had heaps of fun. What happened?
What?
Okay, that was just my bigger cousin. She's just there. She does not want to be in the video. Okay, I'm really done. Just got the last one to put on. There. So this is what it should look like. So I started off there and go all the way to the end, like that. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab another color which you would like. I prefer white for this, since most of my colors are light. And you are going to start off from the first one here. So you're going to just go like that and make like an arrow pointing towards you, like that. And then you're going to do the same with the next one, with the next pig, like that. And then the same all the way to the end. So I'll just show you once more, like that. So you do that. I'm going to try and do that as quick as I can. just so we're not wasting a lot of time. So it should look like that at the beginning. Not at the beginning, like once you're done. Then you're going to turn your board around and grab your hook. I got a green one. First you're going to hook you can hook any. I'm hooking the middle first. Actually, I'm going to show the hooking in my next video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye bye.